This is the upgraded 2-disc golf retriever pole, a practical accessory designed to help you recover discs from hard-to-reach places during your round. The telescoping pole extends up to 13 feet, giving you extra reach when your disc lands in water, bushes, tall grass, or other difficult areas. When you're finished, it collapses down for easy storage and transport. One feature I like is the 3-hook grabber design, which gives you multiple contact points to help retrieve discs from different angles. Whether your disc is resting along the shoreline or caught in vegetation, the hooks make it easier to grab and lift it without getting too close. The retriever also comes with a convenient carry bag, making it easy to bring along in your disc golf bag or keep organized between rounds. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to carry without adding much bulk to your gear. If you're looking for a reliable disc golf accessory that offers extended reach, a 3-hook retrieval system, and a convenient carrying bag, this 13-foot disc golf retriever pole is a practical addition to your equipment.